So you can see this was created using Seedance 2.0 and I have used the image to video workflow. You can also use the text to video workflow. Now many of you guys are facing problem when you are creating this Seedance videos that you get the copyright infringement or all that stuff. But remember guys, we are here to enhance our workflow with the Seedance 2.0 and I am going to show you exactly that. Let me show you one more thing that I am working on. This advertisement, you can see this is how beautiful it is working. You can see the result here as well. Let me just show you one more result. You can see this is one more result that I have got. See, and you can see again I am using the start script. So I'm going to show you the workflow that I use. Let's start now. So I am using basically Claude for all this Seedance stuff because Claude is really up to date and it really studies the internet for this stuff. So let's just learn how you can actually do it. Now in order to get started, you can create your own image and you can write the prompt as well. But if you are a beginner and you want to use this, I would recommend a workflow that I have also used when I have started, and after generating like 5 to 10 videos from Seedance 2.0, I implemented that workflow into my image to video workflow as well. So let me just show you how you can do it. Just go to Twitter here, or we call it X, and you will see I am seeing this Seedance 2.0 results here. Now what I want actually a prompt to get started and the image to get started. So here I'm going to search for Seedance 2.0 prompt and I'm just going to press enter here, and you will find lots of prompts that are available here. So this was created, the video that you saw here was created using this method only, but the video that you saw here was created actually by me itself, and it was like three trial and errors when I basically updated the prompt here. So let me show you this workflow that I have done here. So you can see we have this written here that he is using a image to video workflow for Seedance 2.0. Let me show you how you can actually do that as well with your own workflow. So what you can do, you can just right click, copy image here, and you can go to Claude. You can just paste it here and again go here. Again, shout out to Atul who has provided this prompt to us. So let's just copy this prompt, and this is the prompt that has been tested out. So this is a really good thing, and just apply this, and here you can write, give me more ideas like this, but for magic battle scenes, magic battle and fighting scenes. Okay, and let's just press enter. Now Seedance, not Seedance, Claude will basically check it out. It will basically have some concepts ready for us. So you can see it has given us some things here, that ground level siege mage, you are a battle mage holding a crumbling fortress. Then you have teleportation duel, 2 mages blinking in and out. You can see there are lots of results here to water mages, related to mages we are getting. So we can type here. See, I have done this before also. You can see here I have done this thing, and you can see this was the result that I have basically got. So this is done with Seedance 2, and now we need to copy this out. Okay, so what we can do, we can edit our video here and we can type it here. So you can see here, this is done with Seedance 2.0 image to video generation. Now give me some ideas like this for image generation. Then Seedance 2 prompt, but for fighting scenes and magic. Okay, magic stuff. So let's just do this, and let's just click on save here again. And here you can see now we are getting some really good prompts. So massive stone gate exploding outwards in slow motion, first person POV, you are getting this. Okay, so let's just generate and see what we are getting. So let's just press Ctrl C. Again, I'm going to use Google Flow for this. So if you don't know how you can use this, you can check out my previous videos. I have taught how you can actually use it. This is not a beginner tutorial. So you can see duel of mages, collapsing towers. Then you can see cavalry charge into undead lines. So this is also looking nice actually. War horses with armors, water mage versus naval fit. Okay, a lone figure standing. So this is looking really good. So let's just do this as well. And we are going to press Ctrl V again. So let's just wait for this to get over. And remember, we are using this first and fourth one. And if you are using your own image, you can train Claude as well for this. So you need to do some corrections again and again. So you will get one error that I was also getting. So let me show you. This was the error that I was getting. Enter text violates our guidelines. Generation has been stopped. So you need to make sure first that you don't use the real face. So if you are using real face, this is not going to work. Second thing is that if you are using this and if you are using terms like fighting, fire, smoke, it is going to ignore. Fighting, two peoples are fighting with katana, two robots like let's say Pacific Rim. So it is going to basically violate the guidelines. So you need to make sure that you avoid that, and you just need to write Claude that this is not working. Make me a Seedance safe prompt. That I have also done here. Let me show you that as well. So here, if I go to Hanuman battle scene, you can see enter text violates a generation has been stopped. Still got this. So it gave me this, and at the end, this got working. Okay, so you need to make sure that you do this as well. So let me just go again to my dragon here, and you can see this is the result that we have got. Okay, this is looking really nice. So he's walking on the shore, and you can see the ships here. Okay, this is how I generated my images here as well that I have generated. You can also basically check this as well, a line of mountain armor knights. Okay, so let's just check this as well. And we are using Nano Banana 2. We don't want to use that. Make sure that you are into Nano Banana Pro. So let's just again generate this, because I don't want to generate it using Nano Banana 2. Again, I have told you guys earlier as well that Nano Banana 2 is good with editorial, but it is not good with cinematic image generation. So let's just tweak this so you will see the result as well. So this is a great thing to compare. Now, what site I am using for Seedance 2.0. So this is the website that I am using is LumeFlow AI, and this is a really good website. I have got results really fast here. So let me show you the time so you will get what idea I am talking about. So you can see this was generated around 1823, and after this was generated around 1850, and you can see the duration as well. It's really fast, guys. You can see this duration as well. It's 1732, 1735. So durations were around like 5 to 10 minutes per video, which is really good. Okay, so let's just start with this, but before that, let's just have the image. You can see, definitely see the difference here, the difference that we are getting. Okay, so basically they are fighting with the skeletons here. So this is a really good thing. Let's just have one more here. Assassin rooftop chase. Yeah, this is looking nice actually. Assassin's rooftop chase. So let's just do Control C, and let's just do Control V here as well. I have one more image that I have generated. So let me just show you that as well. So first we are going to switch from home to image to video here. So let's just go to image to video, and here I'm going to select here Seedance 2.0, and it again gives us two, Seedance 2 and Seedance 2 fast. You can use whichever you want. I am using Seedance 2 because there is only 10 credits which are required for more, 10 credits more which are required for Seedance 2. You can see for 5-second generation it's only using 30 credits, which is a really good thing compared to other models. I'm going to go for Seedance 2. I am going for first and last frame here. You can see this is looking nice. Okay, let's just have this. Maybe we will try this one out as well. So let's just click on download, and I'm going to download a 2K image. Okay, let me just show you the image that I have got as well. So let me just show you that as well. Let's just wait for a bit to get it download here. Okay, let's just wait, and I'm going to use this rooftop chase. I've also used this one. You can see like a cockpit. You will see the results soon on my Insta handles as well. You can follow my Insta handles also, Instagram handles, which I will leave the link in the description, and you can follow me on Twitter as well. Oh, sorry, X as well. I'm going to soon start posting all the stuffs there as well. So let's just use this only, first person POV. So let's just press Ctrl C here, and let's just do a first and last frame. We are only going to use the first frame. You can also use the Omni reference if you want. Let's just click on first frame, and we are going to have this, and let's just click on open. You can see upload failed. Please try again, because this is happening sometimes with me in Firefox. Okay, you can try Google Chrome as well. It will not give you an error. You can see I refreshed and it is working again. Okay, this sometimes happens to me for the Firefox issue, but if you're facing this issue as well, you can just refresh. Now I'm going to select Seedance 2.0 and here I'm going to give the prompt that I have basically written. So here you can see it's 15 seconds. I'm going to change this to 10 seconds. Okay, so let's just do 10 seconds or let's just go for 15 seconds as well. We can do that as well. I will do 10 seconds because I want to generate lot more stuff with Seedance, so I don't want to waste my credits here. But you got the idea how you can actually do it. So let's just do 10 seconds, and here you can see our site should be auto. It is going to generate the sound as well. We are going to go for duration of 10, and I think output 1 is good, and you get 80 credits here, which is a really good thing. And let's just click on create. And you can see right now I am in the priority queue and my video will be processed really soon. Okay, so it will take around like 10 to 15 minutes in my time. When I do it in morning, it takes like hardly 5 to 7 minutes. But when I do it in evening time, which is right now, it takes like somewhere around half an hour to 15 minutes. Okay, depending on the server load, because you know it's basically taking the Chinese servers which are available in China. So that's why that's the reason for some delay. So let's just wait and I will give you the honest times that it has taken. And if it gives some error, I will show you that as well, that if I am getting error, how I rectify it. But 99% chances are that it is not going to give me error because it is following the same prompt structure that I have done here. Okay. So this is a really good starting point if you want to explore this out. So let's just wait. I will be back once this is done. Okay. Hi guys, the video is now done. It took around it started around 6:48 and it ended around 7:15, and you can see the time change here. If you see the recording, it was around 6:48. Okay, and now it is 21:42. So basically it took the Chinese timing, the China timing, and it reverted me back this result. Let me show you this result. Now you can see it didn't had that basically this angle because it was a POV, but this is looking really good because it captured that angle. Let me just play it for you guys and you will be shocked with the result. I have seen it only once. Let me just show. So let me just pause it here for you guys and let me just go back, and now let me play it for you guys so you can actually see the result. So this was the frame, if you remember, we did it, and here is the result. And you can see it's looking really good and it's like playing a game here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video here and have learned how you can use the Seedance 2.0 on LumeFlow AI. So I will leave the link in the description of LumeFlow AI to use Seedance. You can click on the link and check it out. And if you like, you can definitely subscribe to this. Subscribe to the plans of LumeFlow AI. I have been using it a lot. So this was the result that I was talking about as well. You can see the actual result. And this was actually the start frame. This frame was the start frame. I can show you. I generated it with free pick, but I can show you the image here. You can see this is the image that I have used. So I am not telling lies. You can see this is the image that I used and this is the video that I basically got. You can see it's the exact same image. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this was also generated with free pick here. You can see here as well. If I scroll downwards, you can see this was the image that I basically used as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn and explore Seedance 2.0, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys.